Alright, you guys, and welcome back to Diva Styles. This video is going to be on some Chanel themed wall decor that I made out of popsicle sticks. But before we get into it, I just want to tell you guys, this was the stencil that I purchased from Dollar Tree. This thing did not work for me in the video. You will see that I tried twice. The first time I thought maybe it was too much glue. It still didn't work. I mean, too much paint. So I tried again and it still didn't work. That was a fail. Also in the video with these are not adhesive. I thought they were. They are not stickers. They are not adhesive. But they still came out cute. Everything came out cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up and we can go ahead and get into the craft. Bye.